Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, as we talk about Threads app, for some of you that are interested in using this, one of the big questions that I've had a few times through the weekend and today is the availability of the Threads app with, on the desktop, on a PC, standard PC, without having a smartphone or anything. Because right now it's an app. And the only way to have it really on a PC, well, it's only on Windows 11, and it's only with the Windows subsystem for Android. Apart from that, apparently there's a way to kind of see Threads, but you can't interact, you can't log in, you can't do anything. So it's kind of useless pretty much. What we hope is that eventually, and most of what I've seen of the different people that think if yes or no we're going to have some, is that probably we will get a desktop app, as we call it, which will be a website that you go through and you can pin it as a web app. So the web app might happen at some point. So that's probably what we need to do. One of the reasons right now for the fact that it's available through only downloads of an app through smartphones and tablets mostly has to do with the fact that you get numbers. You don't get that many numbers off of downloads, depending if you download it from a million different places. So what they actually count is mostly the number of downloads from apps and the app stores, and of course the accounts that are created. But hopefully there will be a web app version that will be available for any computer, be it a Mac computer, be it a Windows PC. That is definitely what's missing, and I think that would probably boost the number of users of the Threads platform if a web app would become available. But if you look at the meta information and all of that on Meta, they don't mention anything like that. All they talk about is the app. And, that is the biggest difference with Twitter. Twitter's available through, of course, through the web browser. So you can actually interact and do what you want in Twitter through the web browser. Let's cross our fingers. And actually, if you go on the Threads page for Meta, they do have a place where they say suggestions. If you want to put suggestions, maybe just go there and add, how about a web app for desktop PCs or laptops for the Threads app? I think that would be welcome for a lot of people. And last but not least, a lot of people have been saying, is it true that if you get off of the Meta, the Threads app, you have to, if you want to shut that down, you have to shut down your Instagram? Absolutely. It's a way for Facebook to tie you in and render impossible the fact that you want to get out, unless you want to lose everything. It is a little devious. It is a little, not super honest way, but that's the way Facebook always works and always worked even with Facebook. So, there are reasons why a lot of people aren't also jumping into the Threads app. There's legitimate reasons with all the scooping of data that they have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.